All right, boys and girls, real quick, we're going to multiply fractions, but I'm also going to show you how to draw out a model of multiplying fractions. So let's do the easy way first. You just multiply it. Again, when we multiply fractions, we take the top times the top, the bottom times the bottom. So we take our top number, 3 times 1. 3 times 1 is 3. We take the bottom times the bottom. 4 times 5 is 20. So our answer would be 3/20s. Great. Well, how do you draw it? Here's the thing. Here's the tricky part. However you want to word it. You are drawing it two different fractions, okay? Because we have 3/4 and 1/5. And you're drawing it two different ways. One will be vertical. One will be horizontal. Here's what I mean. So the first fraction we are going to draw is 3/4. I'm going to draw my butterfinger, or my rectangle. So here is my rectangle. And I'm going to do this horizontally, okay? Horizontally, left to right. So I have how many total pieces? 4. So I need to cut this into 4 pieces. All right. How many pieces are full? 3 of them. So I need to color 3 of them. Now I'm finished with that one. That's an easy one. That's 3/4. You all can do that. Now we have to add the 1/5 to it, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a different color. I'll use, probably black will be the best, easiest one to see, okay? Now remember, this first one I did horizontally. So this one I'm going to do vertically. I'm going to make a new one. But this one I have to cut into 5 pieces. Okay, so I'm going to do 5 verticals. Here we go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Do you see them? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? All right, so now I have to color in one of those verticals because I have 1 piece. So check this out. I'm going to color it in. Just one of them. All right? So if you just look at the black, it'd be 1/5. Now, we have to combine them. Okay, here's what I mean. How many pieces have been colored both blue and black? Well, kind of hard to see, but this one has, and this one has. That's it. Well, how many pieces is that? 3. Out of how many total squares now? Well, there's 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So that is how you would draw a multiplying fractions model. So let's do one more. So again, just to solve it, top times the top, bottom times the bottom. 2 times 2, 4. 7 times 3, 21. That is the answer. But sometimes they want you to draw it. Okay, we're going to do this one vertical, and we'll do this one horizontal, just to mix it up a little bit. All right, so I'm going to draw my rectangle. And this time I have to cut it into 7 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And how many do I need to color? 2 of them. So I'm going to color this one and this one. So there is my 2/7. Good? So far. All right. So now this one horizontally I'm going to cut into thirds because I have 3 total pieces. 1, 2, 3. There's my thirds. Now I'm going horizontal, but I have to color in two of them. So I'm going to color in this one, and I'm going to color in this one, horizontal. All right, so I'm finished with that. So the last part is how many are colored in with both red and black? Well, this one, this one, this one, this one. How many is that? Oh my goodness, we colored in 4. How many total boxes are there? Total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1. Imagine that. That's how we do this. For today's buzz, you don't have to do the number line one. I think that's kind of confusing. If you want to do the number line one, you can. But when they ask you to draw a model, I'd like you to try to draw this model. All right, good luck.